Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by saving work and closing apps so the update can run without interruption. Once done, open Word and go to File, Account to confirm the current version. This tells you if an update is needed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and at least 1 GB free on your drive because the update package downloads and extracts before installing. Start the process now by clicking Update Options, then Update Now. This forces Word to check and retrieve the latest build. You let Word fetch the update and observe the progress indicator. If it stalls, cancel and retry to reset the connection. Once the download completes, the installer applies patches. This may take several minutes and temporarily restart services. If you run managed or offline environments, download the appropriate MSU or PKG that matches your build and run it as administrator. Make sure to keep Word closed during installation. Otherwise, files may not update correctly, and you'll be prompted to finish by restarting Word and verifying the updated version in File, Account. Confirm that recent security and features are present. If something looks off, clear the Office cache or run Quick Repair from Control Panel. These steps fix corrupted files and settings. If the update failed with an error, temporarily disable antivirus and retry, because real-time scanning can block installers. Finally, make sure to re-enable protection, and if problems persist, export a copy of your settings and contact support with the exact error code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.